gINT Civil Tools, Visualization for gINT. What is gINT Civil Tools? gINT Civil Tools is two sister applications available for gINT Professional and Professional Plus users. There's gINT Civil Tools Professional and gINT Civil Tools Professional Plus. Each are standalone applications that work with your existing gINT installation, meaning you do not need to upgrade your gINT. They also work with existing gINT projects, your .gpj, and for gINT Civil Tools Professional Plus, it also works with your gINT SQL Server database. gINT Civil Tools is also delivered in OpenRoads Designer. At a glance, you can visualize 2D as well as 3D information that you have in gINT in the gINT Civil Tools environment. You can visualize lithologies, as well as any other data you may have in your gINT database, including borehole information, water levels, environmental readings, sample information, and even laboratory information. You can also create surfaces to start visualizing layering information. These surfaces can be for materials or things like water surface, or if you have top bedrock, etc. This is gINT Civil Tools. I am actually connected to my gINT database and the mapping, and you can see I can import any table that I have inside of gINT. And here we have a few. And I also can say either include in query or not to include in query. Importantly, I can also include not just the information such as lithology top and bottom, but additional properties found in the gINT database. I can now say populate selected table, and it chooses all properties in the lithology table to be imported into the project. I click OK, query all. If I click in here and scroll in, you can see if I select a lithology, there is information. If I click on it and look at my properties, you can see I have all of my lithology information from my gINT table, including the description. This is true for every element and group. Additionally, if I go to my Explorer and go to borehole, I can click on this and I can say isolate. And now you can see if I scroll out, just my borehole information is visible. I can also look at the details, and you see all of my information about my borehole from my borehole table that I imported is here for a quick reference. And finally, the small PDF icons. If I have a report that might be a PDF associated with this borehole, I can associate it with my borehole and I can click on it, and there's my report for a quick reference as well. In summary, gINT Civil Tools is a microstation technology-based tool for geotechnical and geoenvironmental engineers, which enables 2D and 3D visualization as well as 3D modeling for quick visualization across the site. For 2D, you do have site plans that allow for geotechnical project planning as well as evaluation of the site with information that you may have before you ever go on the site, and also continued evaluation across the site. You can review anything that you have in your gINT database that you can map into gINT Civil Tools, and you have the information there, whether it be environmental readings, groundwater, or geotechnical characteristics from lab or from field tests.